What distinguishes pi from all other numbers is its connection to cycles. For those of us interested in the application of mathematics to the real world, this makes pi indispensable. Whenever we think about rhythm, process that repeats periodically with a fixed tempo, like a pulsing heart or a planet orbiting the sun, we inevitably encounter pi. There is a formula, the Fourier series. The Fourier series formula uses pi to show the real world mathematics of cycles, these rhythms that take place, waves. For this reason, pi is intimately associated with waves, from the ebb and flow of the ocean's tides to the electromagnetic waves that let us communicate wirelessly. At a deeper level, pi appears in both Heisenberg's statement of the uncertainty principle and the wave equation, which captures the fundamental behavior of atoms at a subatomic particle level. In short, pi is woven into our descriptions of the innermost workings of the universe. Pi is an infinite transcendental number, 3.14159. So we have to approximate it at some point because it just keeps on going. An infinite transcendental constant. These are the numbers of pi. This is like the first million, and then it just keeps going. So the Lord uses pi. The English septenary cipher encodes pi as well. In the we see 6 non-prime highlighted numbers, and they add up to 22. In septenary, 7. So if you go 1 7 times, multiply by 1 7 times, that is where the reflective nature of the value for the 26 letters of the English alphabet are derived. 22 divided by 7 is pi. Genesis 1 verse 1. In the beginning, God created the heaven and the earth, having a sum total letter value using the English septenary cipher, 190. When removing the vowels from Genesis 1 verse 1, the sum total letter value is 124. 190 plus 124 equals 314. That equals the Greek word for Bible, biblos. The value of biblos in Greek is 314. Pi being 3.14. The Logos has a Greek sum total letter value of 373. When subtracted from let there be light in Hebrew, having a Hebrew gematria sum total letter value of 232. The difference is 141. Those are the first 3 numbers of pi, cracking pi with let there be light and the Logos being the first 3 numbers. The Lord allows us to crack pi with Genesis 1 verse 1 contains 28 Hebrew letters. When multiplied by the value, the product of the value of those 28 Hebrew letters, divided by the 7 Hebrew words times the product of those 7 Hebrew words. So when the 28 Hebrew letters are multiplied by the value of those Hebrew letters divided by the 7 Hebrew words times the value of those 7 words, it encodes pi. into Genesis 1 verse 1, and he encoded into the 42 names from Abraham to Christ. The value of the name as well as the root value of the name. So the value of Abraham is 17, and the root value being 1 plus 7 being 8. For all the 42 names from Abraham to Christ, encode pi. The sum total of the names from Abraham to Christ, the letters that make up all the 42 names, have a sum total of 766. Now the root value of those 42 names is 244. 766 divided by 244 is pi. In Greek, Jesus, Christos, Jesus Christ, has a sum total of 2,368. In Hebrew, Yeshua, HaMashiach, Jesus, the Messiah, the Christ, has a Hebrew gematria sum total letter value of 754. A circle with a circumference of 2,368 and a diameter of 754 encodes pi. Using the names, the value of the names of Jesus Christ in Hebrew and Greek.